Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get different shield for Monopoly Go. Actually, there are some ways on how to get different shields from Monopoly Go, and I will be showing you a few of the methods or ways. So first, you just have to log into your Monopoly Go, and one of the ways in how to get new shield here is to simply look for this quick wins, okay? You'll receive awards and be given various tasks to do in Monopoly Go game. These jobs are broken down into many categories, like weekly chores and daily tasks. Thus, pay close attention to these weekly chores because the ultimate weekly prize is the shield skins. Second way on how to get a shield skin is tournament rewards. Just like with weekly assignments, you must take part in many current tournaments and aim to move up the scoreboard. For all players who play first in the tournaments will receive incredible rewards that include tokens, in-game money, and of course, shield skins. Now keep an eye on the competitions and strive to place higher to get shield skins as a prize. The third method or way is you have to participate special events. Okay, so like competitions, the Monopoly Go frequently introduces special events like the Martian Mysteries Tournament when you can earn exclusive shield skins. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.